Thank you for purchasing this Sojag product, which you'll enjoy all year long. If you need additional instructions, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service line. Replacement parts are always available, so please do not return the product. If a part breaks, simply order a replacement using the part number on the gazebo. The installation should be carried out by a minimum of 2 people, and be sure to install it on a level surface. Open the boxes carefully and unpack all the parts. Group the parts together by type and place them on the lawn or on a blanket so as to avoid damaging them. You are now ready to begin the installation. Attach the column A to the base M1 using the screws V. Repeat for all remaining columns A. Insert the hooks into the tracks on the OGs B, B1, C, and C1. Refer to the illustrations in the manual for quantity and location. Slide the short OG C into the short OG C1 and attach using the screws V. Repeat for all remaining short OGs C and C1. Slide the long OG B into the long OG B1 and attach using the screws V. Repeat for all remaining long OGs B and B1. Install the long OGs B and B1 between 2 columns A using the screws U on the inside of the OGs and the screws X on the outside of the OGs. Repeat with the short OGs C and C1. Install a corner cover W using the screws Y on each corner of the structure. Install the joint cover plates W1 using the screws Y and V over the joints between the OGs B and B1 and the OGs C and C1. Attach the corner solidifying bars L1 and L2 to each corner of the structure using the screws V1. Attach the corner roof bars E to the inside roof connector K1 using the screws V1. Place the roof structure on top of the OGs. Screw the corner roof bars E to the columns A using the nuts and bolts V2. Attach the roof bars F to the inside roof connector K1 using the screws V1. Screw the roof bars F to the OGs B, B1, C, and C1 using a screw V. Repeat for all remaining middle roof bars F. Install the long finishing bars D, the short finishing bars D1 using the screws Y. Install the side structure for small roof bars J, J1, J2, and the finishing ends Q and R using the screws Y. Refer to the illustrations in the manual for quantity and location. Install the small roof panels. Install the outside roof connector K to the inside roof connector K1 using the screws U. Do not completely tighten the screws U at this point. Place the cover roof bars F2 and E2 on the roof panels and screw using the screws Y1. After this step, tighten the screws U under the inside roof connector K1. From the underside of the sun shelter, install the solidifying bars G and H according to the illustration in the manual using the iron angles M2, M3, and M4 and the screws V. Assemble all the roof panels using the nuts and bolts U1. Place the roof panels on the roof and secure them using the brackets I and screws Y. Place the cover roof bars F1 and E1 on the roof panels and screw to roof bars F and E using the screws Y1. It is important to anchor the gazebo to the ground, making sure it is well squared to keep it from moving or becoming damaged in strong winds. Use Tapcon screws for concrete surfaces and wood screws for wood surfaces. Install the mosquito netting along the tracks by inserting the hooks one at a time into each of the eyelets found along the top border of the netting, with the short end of the panel installed on the short side of the shelter so that the zippers will line up at the center of each side. Repeat for the other netting panels. Each mosquito net panel is equipped with a strap and a small hook towards the middle. Locate this hook and ensure that it is facing toward the exterior of the shelter. Attach the hook to a column A. Congratulations! You are now ready to enjoy your Sojag sun shelter.